Reading in Dinka language. Agog Quran. Agog Quran. Water Mointui. Eyok Agog Kadek Wir. Go Agog Angwang Tong. Go Agog Ring Bay Kuket. Go Moinwen Jal Ben Log Lo Wir Kujol Ledek. Go Agog Ben Duk Kulom Tong Kubin Nwang Kulwel. Ketuk Ketuk Ukadagog Yenakan. Let me repeat it. Agog Quran. Water Mointui. Eyok Agog Kadek Wir. Go Agog Angwang Tong. Go Agog Ring Bay Kuket. Go Mun Wenjal Ben Lok Lawir Kujol Ledek. Go Agog Ben Duk Ku Lom Tong. Ku Ben Nwang Kulwel. Ketuk Ketuk Ukadagog Yenakan. Water mean long time ago. Mointui there was a man. Eyok Agog Kadek Wir. There was a man who found the monkey drinking in the river. Wir mean in the river. The man found the monkey drinking in the river. Go Agog Angwang Tong. Go Agog Ring Bay Uket. Angwang Tong. This is Tong. This is called Tong. Spear. This is Tong. Spear. And Mointui. This is Mointui. This is Mointui. Agog. This is Agog. You see, guys. Agog. Monkey. Agog mean monkey. This is Agog. Dek mean drinking. Drinking. Agog ring bay kuket. Ket mean cat mean to run. To run. Because the man want to spear the monkey. The monkey was afraid. He came out from the river and ran. Agog ring bay kuket. Then ran. Go Gomonywen jal ben lok lawir kujol ladek. And when the monkey ran away from the river, this man, when he came to where the monkey was drinking, and he started drinking again in that the same river. So what happened after the man is drinking? Go agog ben duk kul lom tong, because the man went to drink in the river and he put the spear down. So the monkey returned back. The monkey then picked tongue. The monkey picked this spear, and then he do what the man did to him, to it or to him before. The monkey do what the man do before. He start. He want to let's say spear the man, and the monkey start saying that ketuk ketuk. So you did this one to me before, I do it to you also. If it was good, it is good for you now. So the monkey said that, could cut a gog, and then the monkey said that, and it ran away. So the monkey ran away. Yenekan, and this is the end of the story. So this is the Muntui, this is the man, Muntui, and this is his spear, tongue, and this is monkey, Agog. Yeah. So that is why the title is Agog Quran. In simple English is like the monkey and man. The monkey and man. Agog mean monkey, Ku mean and Ran mean person or a man. Water mean water. This one mean time, long time ago. Long time ago. This is water. Okay, guys. That is the end. Bye bye for now. More will come. I'm William Majar. Please subscribe, share the video, like the video, and thank you very much. God bless you. Dornial Kuwait, we are here.